You're a good man, Charlie Brown. You're a prince, and a prince could be king. With a heart such as yours, you could open any doors. You could go out and do anything. You could be king.
Sanctuary, but it's far from necessary, as I'm just as self-reliant as before. As a simple demonstration of my independent station, I will go and leave my blanket on the floor. Yes,
it's supper time, yeah. It's supper time, and when supper time comes, can supper be far away?
A little more will, a little less luck, a little more skill. Gotta face this fella eye to eye. Now that I've seen you chasing moles, climbing trees, digging holes, catching your string on everything passing by, why not fly?
Just like a busy bee, each new philosophy can fly from tree to tree and keep me moving. When life's a dizzy maze on alternating days, I choose a different phrase.
new philosophy.
My new philosophy.
This is an elm tree. It's very little, but it will grow up into a giant tree. An oak, you can tell how old it is by counting its leaves.
Gosh, Lucy, that's fascinating.
Now, wait a minute, Lucy. I don't mean to interfere.
And way up there, those fluffy little white things, those are clouds. They make the wind blow.
With happiness, it's those who sing with happiness. It's morning and evening, daytime and nighttime too.